Imagine you're sitting at home, minding your own business, when suddenly a notification pops up on your phone. It's a message from a friend, and they're raving about this incredible new app called Stash Cash. They're telling you it's the easiest way to make money online, and they've already earned hundreds of dollars. Intrigued, you click on the link, download the app, and start exploring. But as you delve deeper, you begin to wonder, is Stash Cash really as good as it seems? Is it a legitimate way to make money, or is it just another scam? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Stash Cash and find out the truth. Is it a reliable platform for earning extra income, or is it a risky venture that could leave you out of pocket? Understanding Stash Cash. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a closer look at what Stash Cash actually is. It's a mobile app that allows users to complete various tasks, such as watching videos, taking surveys, and playing games. In return for completing these tasks, users earn points, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Sounds simple enough, right? But is it really that easy to make money on Stash Cash? Let's explore the pros and cons. Pros of Stash Cash. Accessibility. One of the biggest advantages of Stash Cash is its accessibility. You can use the app from anywhere with an internet connection, making it a convenient way to earn extra money on the go. Variety of tasks. Stash Cash offers a wide range of tasks, so there's something for everyone. Whether you're a fan of watching videos, taking surveys, or playing games, you'll find plenty of opportunities to earn points. Quick payouts. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for cash or gift cards. Stash Cash typically processes payouts quickly, so you won't have to wait long to enjoy your earnings. Cons of Stash Cash. Low payouts. While Stash Cash can be a good way to earn a little extra money, the payouts are generally quite low. Don't expect to get rich quick using this app. Limited task availability. The availability of tasks can vary depending on your location and other factors. Sometimes, you may find it difficult to find tasks that you're interested in or that pay well. Potential for scams. Unfortunately, there are many scams and fake apps out there that mimic Stash Cash. It's important to be cautious and do your research before downloading any app that promises easy money. Is Stash Cash legit? So, is Stash Cash a legitimate way to make money? The answer is yes, but with some caveats. It's a perfectly legal platform that allows users to earn points by completing tasks. However, it's important to have realistic expectations and understand that the payouts are relatively low. If you're looking for a way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time, Stash Cash can be a good option. However, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're expecting to make a significant amount of money through this app, you're likely to be disappointed. Tips for using Stash Cash effectively. Complete high-paying tasks. Not all tasks pay the same amount. Look for tasks that offer the highest payouts. Refer friends. Stash Cash often has referral programs that allow you to earn bonus points for referring friends. Be patient. It takes time to accumulate points on Stash Cash. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. In conclusion, Stash Cash is a legitimate platform for earning extra money, but it's important to approach it with realistic expectations. The payouts are relatively low, and the availability of tasks can vary. However, if you're looking for a way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time, Stash Cash can be a good option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.